Hello, welcome to my Kansas garden. I wanted to show you what I've been doing. I showed you the video on setting up this bed, but I have finished this one as well. I loosened the soil and put in 2 bags of compost and worm castings and then covered it in leaves. And I have been having to keep recovering because we have a lot of birds and they like to dig through the leaves and find worms, I believe. So I've been keeping those topped off. Today, I'm not going to loosen this bed. It still has stuff growing and I want to let the stuff keep growing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put down 2 bags of compost and the worm castings, and I'm going to put down leaf mulch as well. So just get it all nice and prepped. Whatever wants to keep growing can do that, but I also want it mulched before it gets pretty cold. So I need to do this bed and I need to do those 2 beds over there. But today we're just going to focus on this bed. Here we go. I put down the compost and the worm castings. And now I still have to do the leaf mulch, but my wonderful husband did come in and take out if you remember from previous videos, there was a fence trellis that was here, and we're going to put in another brick bed, and eventually one of these trellises is going to go in between the 2 beds right here. So that has been done today, actually. That fence just came out. So I'm gonna work on putting the leaves on this bed. I also, as I was going around and putting down compost, I pruned the plants. I took off dead leaves, yellow leaves, and I pruned this back quite a bit. I cut off all the dead foliage. It's probably gonna die soon anyway, but it's still green. This is a poppy plant, by the way. And I found, as I was putting down compost, I found little poppy plants around in here, which is exciting. I'm excited for next year. So I'm sure there are seeds just ready to grow, and I'm hoping they will lie dormant until the spring. Landscaping update. I was working on this one, and my son actually filled in the rest of the leaves. There's a lot of sticks in there though that I'm probably going to pick out because he's not as worried about sticks as I am. There's that bed I was talking about. It's a little shorter because there's a hole right here. You can't see it because like there's weeds growing in there, but you can kind of see how it dips down. So I'll either keep it short for now or I'll fill in the hole a little bit, but I wanted to get this done today because it's in the 60s, nice weather to work. Our weather has been jumping around from like highs in the 60s, 50s, 40s. Don't really know what you're gonna get, so whenever I have days that are in the 60s, I try to come out here and work. Besides this, I have also finished dividing these 2 beds. I still have this jalapeno plant in here that's working on growing, but I fully divided in here and took all the wood mulch out except for a little bit around the plant, and I'm still working in here. I want to take all the wood out and do like I did with these beds, put down compost and leaves, which these beds are great. I'm very happy with them. I need to do this one now, put down compost and leaves. So that's what's up next for this one, compost and leaves. I have to do the same with this one. These beds over here are kind of crazy looking because I'm letting the flowers just go to seed. So they're like in between. We have some flowers and we have some seeds. So you can see the wind blew over these cosmos. Yep. So not the prettiest looking garden right now, but it's kind of just what happens at the end of the season. And that's all, really. That's my update. Hope you guys are doing good, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.